Down rank. Portugal, birthplace of the GOAT, Cristiano Ronaldo. But is there candy as goatee? Let's find out. Alright guys, so today we're trying some candy, snacks, sweets if you're UK. If you're UK, if you're English, sweets. An array of products. Fair bit of stuff. We got an umbrella. You can stand up. So what we got? Tell them what we got.
I'm standing. So we got a chocolate umbrella.
What else we got?
Bananas.
B-A-N-A-N-A. I was thinking of songs to do with everything. Right, anyway, you're going to take over this one, ain't you?
Because you did it last time.
I did. And that video done terribly bad. First 24 hours, one view. And that one view was from me. I watched it myself. That's how desperate I was. But anyway, hopefully this one doesn't
Okay, first I'm gonna do. Wait, let me just do umbrella. I don't know why I wanted to do that bit.
What?
Just that bit now.
That's what I get to try. Rabbit droppings. If you're watching this in the future, like it says a year ago, let me know when the videos start getting good. If they start getting good anyway, and if I carry on. We're going to rate all of these snacks, all of this confectionery, out of 5 stars, a bit like your GTA. So we'll go from half a star all the way up to 5 stars. I like that. It's a bit like Christmas chocolate. The video starts with a big fat 4 stars for me. What do you give it? 5 stars. A big fat 5 stars.
No, you smell that.
Okay, next we're gonna try then some cheese and onion.
Wait.
Not cheese and onion, tomato and onion.
No.
You don't want to try them? You want to try them? So why did you tell me I could pick?
I don't know what confused.
Show the guys.
What?
Do you think they're like mini donuts? They're definitely cooked. They're covered in a lot of sugar, eh?
Oh, it's got it on toothpick.
You like that one? It's only out of 5 stars. It's like GTA. You're either most wanted or you ain't wanted at all. 2 stars. 2 big stars.
They're beautiful.
Or 2 small stars, should I say. I don't know why I've rated them 2 stars and thought I'd eat another one. You want to try these small sweets? Right then, because there's one of each flavour, there's orange, strawberry, and I'm gonna let you guys guess what this flavour is. And I'm gonna hold it here so you can't see it. So I'm gonna let you guess what flavour it is. Actually, what's the point of letting you guess? You're going to use Google, ain't you? You're having that one.
What is that?
The one that they're guessing. I'll whisper it. Don't use Google. Google's not everyone's friend. Oh, there is a tattoo. Bagsy's putting the tattoo on. That's orange. I think, is it chewing gum? Yeah, it's a chewing gum. Chewing gum?
Please have a strip pad.
It's not a tattoo.
What is it?
I don't know. She got the hearts and I got the dancing. Them fingers were the other way around. There'd be something else. We've also got these small sweets. We might as well get these over and done with as well already, haven't we? Let's get all the small ones out of the way. Another 5 stars? 3.5. How'd you do half? Right, I'm going
double.
pineapple. In with it. Tartlets. tartlets. Are you trying the tartlets? Do you want me to just do the tartlets on me? Oh, we need to rate them. What do you rate them?
What?
What we've just had.
I was just rating it.
What did you rate?
3.
3 stars. I'm gonna give it a 2. 2 stars. Ooh, mate, you might like these tartlets. Look, they're like jam tarts. Have you ever had a jam tart? It's like a small.
5.
It's a small jam tart, mate. 3.5 stars. They are most definitely getting away from that. Are you gonna try this nougat? She's not also gonna try the nougat. She ain't gonna like the new video ideas that I'm coming up with. This is got nuts. It's got nuts. It's
I like nuts.
Nuts and caramel. Nuts and caramel. I think. Nuts in my teeth.
Where did you get this one?
Can't say. No sponsors. So if anyone does want a sponsor and they just want me to rewatch the video and get 1 view, then I might consider buying their food. Send us some stuff. So this is actually pretty nice. I'm gonna give that 4 stars. Are you not trying this? This is milk chocolate with passion fruit. No, I am over here.
Goes right.
I like passion fruit.
I don't.
I don't know. It's all stuck in my teeth. I don't know what. I like passion fruit and I like chocolate, but that's just not a good mix.
That's
Regina. Reg. You're getting half a star, mate. Lucky Reg.
a 0.
That's it, it's a stump. I rate it a stump. Next, let's go with the other one. Anyway, if you've made it this far, you may as well just click the subscribe button. Anyway, if it's just me, you might as well click it as well. Pineapple drink. I think it's carbonated. What's it smell like? Oh, she actually just sniffed that right up her nostrils. Why did you sniff it up your nose? How did you manage that? Right, pineapple drink, ratings. That was rotten, half a star. I like pineapple as well. What the hell's going on there? Is it actually pineapple?
I like pineapple as well.
Is it pineapple? That's definitely a pineapple there, isn't it?
Let me see. No, but it's one.
What is it then? I don't know what it tastes like. It just tastes like absolute garbage water.
Mango.
Do you know what? She didn't try the tartlets, which were quite nice. She did try the nougat, that was quite nice. She tried the passion fruit chocolate, that was absolutely rank. And she tried the drink, that was absolutely disgusting.
I know what kind of things are not disgusting.
What are they?
How much there is in there?
That's a rip-off, isn't it?
That's how much there is in there.
It's like water at the bottom of a well. Can't even see it. Look at that. How much of a waste of a bag is that? Look at that. Don't just send a bag like that and just pack it out. I always ask this question. It's probably because of all, oh, we really want to do all the decor on it. It looks really nice. You're going to make your crisp tasting a bit, mate. Flat potato chips. Peasant. Actually, flat potato chips peasant recipe. Okay, thank you, mate. These are nice.
These are in my good girl pile. Where's my noodles over there? Give me my noodles back.
They're not noodles, they're donuts. Dried out donuts. Mouldy donuts.
But only flat.
They're good. Absolutely rammed with flavour, aren't they? 5 stars for you. Also 5 stars for me. Most wanted. So like sausage flavoured crisps. Sausage flavoured. Don't open them like that, we'll open them like this. I'll hold the bottom, you hold the top. Oh! Small.
You don't put salt in the video. No.
They're nice. They're not as good as them cheese and tomato. Cheese and tomato. Tomato and onion. 3.5. 3 and a stump. Oh, that thing left the bananas. Yes.
Just give me a sample.
What is that coat now?
Are they good?
Yeah, well, actually. This one's a bit like banana with sugar on it.
I like banana.
Oh, actually. They're rank. Oh, they're rank.
They've probably been open for years.
Right, rate the bananas. You give them a stump.
Not stump.
Half a star, a stump.
No.
Stump. I'm giving them a stump. I got them at the bottom. Disgusting. I think I'd rather drink that drink again than have another one of them bananas. Downright wrong. Right, let's do our magical thing where we pick up the thing that we like the best. What did you like the best? The crisps, both of them. Anyway, that was Portuguese.
The rankest video ever.
Oh, there was some nice stuff there. Anyway, hopefully this video does better than the last one, and it's not just me that watches it in the first 24 hours. Well, it probably will be. I'm hoping for some brighter days. I'm going to keep up with some videos, so hopefully when people start finding them and people start watching them, you start enjoying them, and you start hitting that subscribe button, hopefully. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you later.